Heads up if you're using Cowork with Notion. I've been using the Notion connector since it launched. I genuinely love it. Creating pages and databases is fast, it saves time, and it's become part of my daily workflow. I've been using Notion every day for 5 years across my business and with clients. But this is a warning. I was cleaning up my daily dashboard. It gets messy and I asked Claude to help me sort it out. I created a page called Archive Pages, intending to move some random databases and pages out of the way. Nothing critical, just learning databases and extra stuff I wanted to keep, but I didn't need cluttering the main view. The plan was to go back and organize properly later. So I asked Cowork to move those pages across, something I could have done myself in about a minute. When I checked, they were in the trash. I didn't think Cowork could do that. And when I asked it directly whether it put them there, it denied it. So I went to restore them and I can't. I own these pages. I created them. And apparently I don't have permission to untrash them from my own Notion workspace. So I reached out to Notion for support the first time in 5 years, and the response has been, you can restore it from trash. I can't, and it's clearly not simple on their end either. But the only upside, Notion doesn't permanently delete pages for 30 days, so I'm currently copying and pasting everything back. That's not fun. But here's the takeaway. Use Cowork to create pages, but don't ask it to move things around, and don't name pages archived or trash, and it takes those words literally.